Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since we've had a haul time. I've been trying to make better choices and trying not to shop as, I guess, irresponsibly. Like, I'm trying to spend less money on fast fashion. You might have noticed over the last year or two, I've been slowly weaning off long-term retail partners that were much more on the affordable side. So, you know, brands like, like Shein side and Misguided. I still get things from those places like Misguided every now and again, but I am trying to be a little bit more responsible and not just get things for the sake of it. And even if I do get stuff on the high street, that it's just stuff that I really love and I feel like I'm going to wear a lot. I'm definitely far off being a eco-conscious queen, but I'm just trying to make better decisions. I got some new bits. It's not a crazy amount because of the way I've been shopping, but I love almost everything that I got. And I thought that I would squeeze in a little bit of a holiday try on for you guys because I'm squeezing in this video the day before, like the evening before I'm going on holidays. Thankfully, the light in the new apartment is letting me film at 6 p.m, which is fantastic. So yeah, it's a bit of a hybrid haul slash outfit lookbook video, super casual. Hope you like it. Let's get straight into it. First up, my favorite high street store. You guys all know it's Mango. It has stolen my heart. It's my new Zara. Zara has just not been on it for the last 2 years, and Mango's just kind of naturally taken over, and it is one of the stores that I like that offers more sustainable, eco-friendly choices in terms of clothing that's at more high street prices. So for those of you asking, it's one of my go-tos. I try to restrain myself, but one of the things I'm so happy I picked up, because I think it's going to be one of the most versatile pieces that I'm taking on the trip with me, is this pair of shorts. They are so nice, easy care type fabric. So it's not quite a satin finish or anything like that, but it just has a slightly dressier feeling than a normal cotton short. The sizing's super weird. It's different in the UK and the US. So in the US, I'm a size small in these shorts, but in the UK, I'm a size medium. So a medium is more like what I am on the bottom. I'm a UK size 10. These are the perfect holiday shorts. They are that super classy, very elegant shorts length that come down around mid-thigh. So they're not skimpy, they're very classy and chic looking. So yes, love them. They fit like a dream. They look more expensive than they are. And actually with the outfit that I kind of envisioned in my head together with it, it's sort of a very 1940s outfit, 1950s outfit. It reminds me exactly of like a Lauren Bacall style, this kind of weird masculine but feminine type style. To go with it was this top from Mango, again another piece I'm so happy with. They have it in a dress version as well, kind of in the same style, silky sheeny orange top, and it's actually like a tie front top. I don't have it tied at the moment, but I'll show you. It looks beautiful tucked in, and I think I actually bought the entire outfit. I think there was a model on Mango wearing the shorts and this top together. I got this in a UK size 10 and I was worried it was going to be too big because, like I said, I'm usually size 8 on the top, but it actually fits perfectly. I'm so glad I didn't go any smaller. It's a very just comfortable fit. I was in desperate need of a versatile pair of sandals that I felt like would be comfortable for walking around in, but also smart enough to wear for dinner and comfortable and all that stuff. So in the end, I went for these. They're not the ones that I wanted exactly, but I'm so glad I got them. They are very comfortable, quite affordable, but they're kind of a suede-esque sandal, and they've got a little baby heel on them. Ooh, I wanted to show you this bargain actually because it is available in Mango. So if you're really stuck, you can't get it like a bargain like I did, don't worry, Mango has the exact same one. But I got this cute little like Asian grocery net bag, and that's exactly where I got it. I got it at an Asian knickknack store that my friend told me about in Soho. It's called Pearl River Market and it's kind of near Muji. Ran into town today to pick one up because I thought it would make the perfect sort of not beach bag, but just sort of holiday bag. They're only $5, but Mango is selling the exact same bag for $20. I'm going to put it inside and kind of give you an idea of how you can make your bag a bit more low-key when you're on a sort of a trip like this. It would be a really good way. Also, needless to say, we are working with a very primitive natural lighting setup, so if the light kind of goes in and out a little bit, please forgive me. I know I got a couple, maybe a month or two back in the sale, is another top from Mango. It's the same silky-ish kind of fabric as the first top. I really like this. It's such a vivid lightweight fabric. I wore it in my collab video with Erica and it's just a vibrant color. I feel like I really like red on me, even though I'm not a crazy color person. It just has a little keyhole detail and this little scarf thing going on. And then I got this very appropriate t-shirt for a tenner, and it actually feels super nice for $10, I have to say. It's 100% organic cotton and it just is a black t-shirt that says Night Thinker. So I think this will actually be really cute in kind of dressed up or dressed down. You could wear it with a smart pair of shorts or just like cute denim shorts. I've been getting a lot of questions about this skirt because I wore it in the vlog, and I was telling you guys I got a lot of compliments when I wore it. But it's a H&M skirt. I fought tooth and nail online to get it. It kept like, I had so many issues trying to order it. It just kept selling out, all of this drama, but I finally got it. It was a $50 skirt, very, very premium feeling. And this is the type of stuff that I like to buy from H&M. I like to buy the stuff that feels like it's nicer quality because they obviously have a lot of tat. But if you shop smart and you know your fabrics, you know, you can get some gems at a high street prices. So this is like something I don't think looks high street at all. It has this almost like abstract polka dot print on the front and the back. I just think it's such a cool style skirt. It has a nice weight to it, it doesn't blow up, it's not flimsy, and it was a really, really good find. So I know it's going to be hard to find something similar to this exact style, but I will try. I said it on Twitter and I'll say it again, what is a holiday without a misguided package that wasn't delivered in time? So I've lots of bikinis floating around in Transit that I can't show you today, but I did get one. It's this ASOS very vintagey cut swimsuit, one piece, and when I saw it I was like, oh my god, this is tiny. I think this gives you guys a better look of how it is actually on. I was really worried because in the past these sort of high, like above the hip bone style trousers have not suited me at all. You know, I have junk in the trunk, I have hips. I'm actually surprisingly happy with it. I'm bet into it being a size 8, but I feel like that's the way it looks the best. It looks very, like, my whole body looks very supported, and even though I feel like your hips will always look kind of weird in a very, like, in this style, like it kind of looks like Barbie doll hips, this is actually still very flattering. I like the way it looks on the bum. It like cuts across my like bum cheek really cute. It's a bit of a cheeky fit. I also got this hat from ASOS and I like it because I don't know, it's just a bit more my style. I'm not like a crazy hat person. It's still a little bit big for my pea head even, but I do like it because it's not like a big round sun hat, which is a bit girly for me and it's not really my style, but it's not quite a fedora either. Like a fedora isn't my style either, so it's kind of a nice straw alternative. Don't mind me just dreaming of laying on the beach in Tulum already. So I also bought a bunch of sunglasses because I wanted to try out like some of the 90s trends that are going around. Like I think with my nose, like I have to try on sunglasses, but I did find a brand that sells a lot of the popular styles for really affordable. It's Sunglasses LA, and I was even surprised that they sent these little protectors for them because they were only about a tenner each, like $10, and I'm only going to show you the ones that suit me. These ones here look super cute, but they're just not great for my nose shape. These ones are a bit alien-y. These ones are a bit too wide, but I like these blue ones. I got them purely for a fun shoot, like an Instagram or something like that. I just thought they were fun. I just wish that they had the black in stock because I definitely would have got the black. And then I got these two in the same style, both black and white, so they're kind of like matrixy type ones. But again, they're just like a fun, you know, they're a bit of fun, you know, they're not really like serious sunglasses, let's be real, but I think they're cool. Thumbs up, thumbs down. What do we think? What do we think? My boyfriend hates them. Onto the packing segment of the video. For my clothes, I'm only taking one away suitcase. I'll probably have like a purse or a backpack as well for anything extra. But this is the way I love to pack. I like to pack light. I don't like to take more than one bag. We're moving around a couple of times. We have two different destinations, Cuba and Tulum, and we're staying in 3 different accommodations. So not quite backpacking, but I do like to be able to move around easily and not take too much and not be overwhelmed by what I've brought. And also I love the feeling of wearing every single thing that I've packed to death. I don't like to carry around dead weight. I don't pack unpractical things like high heels that I'll realistically like not be comfortable in, that kind of stuff. So if I'm looking at around 10 outfits for 10 days, I like to reduce that even further by maybe coming up with 5 or 6 different outfits that are completely interchangeable that will give me maybe 10 to 12 actual outfit options. So hopefully what I'll be showing you next is sort of a curation of carefully picked pieces. This is the suitcase that I'm planning on taking. It is my white away. It's the larger carry-on, so it's still approved by airlines to take on, but it fits a lot, and I've lived out of these for like a month. So this is the first outfit. If you haven't already guessed, it's kind of my favorite outfit, but I've got the little sandals on with this with a little bit of a heel so they're not too flat on my feet. And yeah, it's kind of the vibe of the holiday. I feel like it's going to be my favorite outfit. It's the one that I'll probably interchange the most, and I love how it looks. So I think it's perfect for a beachy holiday in Tulum, like riding bikes and all of that kind of stuff. I've got my little net bag. I'm just classic. Like, these will always be in fashion. So I hope it's catching in the light as well. I'm losing sunlight like nobody's business, but it just has a beautiful sheen off it, that lovely neckline. So this is with the t-shirt. So example 2 of how versatile the shorts can be. I'm going to pack a couple of white t-shirts as well, so they'll tuck in fine. It just makes it more casual for the daytime. Okay, it's official. The lighting in this video is a shit show. The sun is now set, but I'm determined to get this video filmed and share it with you guys, so hopefully I can pull it together a little bit with this artificial light that Cathal kindly brought in. But this is, I guess, outfit number 3, so option for like a going out nighttime look. It's not probably to everyone's taste, but I don't do typical sexy like dresses and stuff, so I've got a pair of high-waisted shorts on. Again, another really versatile piece in my wardrobe, kind of similar to the white pair, but just they're black satin shorts, and I like to wear them again daytime with t-shirts, or for nighttime a little dressed up like this. So this is just an example of a kind of like a bralette situation that I could do, and then I just have something long sleeve on top to pull it back a little, and also because I get very chilly at night. And this is actually not going to be a piece that I pack, it's going to be a piece that I wear at the airport. So thinking out your airport outfit really carefully, like a nice pair of jeans, like a nice full outfit, safe outfit, something that is comfortable no matter where I'm landing. So usually a pair of jeans, a nice blazer like this that I can then wear on the trip too. Yeah, kind of wishing I got these sandals in black. I don't know if they're available in black, but I definitely would have bought them if they were. Outfit number 4, pretty self-explanatory, but a good pair of denim shorts. I've got a classic pair of Levi's. I can't see how they look. I'll probably like roll them up a little bit. But I just pair them with a simple silky black shirt from H&M. A cheeky little close-up just so you can see the textures a bit more. But like I said, they're denim shorts, a t-shirt, anything. I'll get an extra few outfits out of this. Today, new t-shirt, another simple outfit. Old mango sort of frayed edge skirt. It's really organic feeling, and I think it's perfect for like a beachy holiday. So again, outfit number 5, easy breezy, perfect for Tulum. Number 6, bit of a switcheroo, so same skirt but the long mango, slightly pussy bow-esque blouse. I think it's just a little bit more of a covered up outfit. I think it'll be nice for dinner in Cuba perhaps, I don't know. My hair must be a goddamn mess because I am flaking on clothes here like nobody's business. But outfit number 7, let's tie something like that, like maybe a bit higher. I don't know, I think they're both kind of flowy pieces. This is kind of a longer dress. It's from Zara. It's one of those old style cami dresses that were all in back in, I don't know, like 2 years ago. But this one is slightly longer. I think it's very comfortable. I don't like things super short feeling like they're going to fly up. The shirt will just be a little bit of a windbreaker over my bikinis and over little dresses like this in case we do some walking around and exploring around the town. Also, I can just wear the dress on its own for nighttime or dinner. Outfit number 8, can you tell I like black? But this is a H&M play suit. Again, it has that like kind of 40s collared neckline and t-shirt shape that I love. Actually a bit of a kind of a wider almost kimono-esque, but I love it. I picked it up for around $50 last year at H&M, and it's come with me on every holiday since, so I think that's a sign of a good piece. Deep pockets, it's comfy, it has to be pulled off, it's a bit awkward, but I think it's worth it just to have a completed outfit in no time. It doesn't take up much room in the suitcase, so that is why it is outfit number 8. Probably one of the girlier pieces, but this is a dress that stood the test of time in my wardrobe as well. It's a really thin, cottony, linen-y feeling dress, which is why it's a bit wrinkly. But you may remember, if you've been around for a while, I got it from Choi's, and I just love the cut of it. It's the most simplistic cut. It's almost like a homemade dress, and I kind of love that about it. I like that it covers the armpit vagina for the most part, and then it's just got these really thin, dainty straps on the back, so it has a little side zip. I just really love the construction and the way that the straps are done. They kind of come down the side. And yeah, outfit number 9, a simple, easy summer dress. Oh my god, it's so wrinkly, but yeah, I never wear it online because you guys say the stripes make you feel a bit dizzy, so sorry. Lastly, outfit number 10, another light, not black look, God forbid. This last look is the one that I'm not sure about because it's a bit of a DIY job. Like, it still literally has pins in it from where I'm planning on sewing it. I think I might actually just cut off the sleeves altogether. It used to have horrendous balloon sleeves, but it's from H&M. It's a light cottony type dress, and the rope belt is also from H&M, and there's just something about it I like, and I'm trying to make it work. I'm trying to DIY the hell out of it. Final outfit, a nice summery light look, and another opportunity to go matchy with my net bag. So there you have it, one suitcase and at least 10 potential outfits. Oh, back into my normal clothes. That was a struggle, I'm not gonna lie. Looking around me, it's pretty much a bomb site, and now I have to pack it all away for my holiday tomorrow. This video took so much longer to film than I expected, and I know it's not like the most professional quality, but I think at the end of the day, YouTube is all about just sharing, and I am all about doing that on my YouTube channel at the moment, and not caring about production quality, and just getting back to the basics, which is just talking and sharing with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the outfits. Like I said, I showed you 10 outfits and 10 combinations, but I could easily probably get about 15. I am going off social media for the 10 days that I'm gone, which is why you're only getting one video a week, so sorry about that, but I'm sure there will be plenty of holiday vlogs to come. It will be all worth it. And of course, if you enjoyed this little chat with me, don't forget to let me know in the comments. Like, talk to me, guys, talk to me. This is a two-way conversation, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I'm Haggard. I'll see you in the next one.